Look out! Here come the 10 hardest choices you'll ever have to make. Throughout our lives, we are constantly bombarded with major choices. Which university should I apply to? Should I take that higher-paid job on the other side of the country? Do I like red M&Ms or blue? Our decisions not only determine our future, but also define us and shape our personalities. In this video, opportunity to make 10 extremely difficult choices. At the end of the video, we'll tell you what kind of person you are. There are only 2 possible answers to each question. You need to choose between option A and option B. So this is like the Kobayashi Maru test in Star Trek, huh? As you're taking the test, keep track of how many times you choose A or B, because you'll need these totals at the end of the video to find out your results. You'll only have 5 seconds to think about each question before we give you the explanation. Don't think too long and go with your gut. You'll get the most accurate results that way. Here we go! Counting down from number 10, would you rather A. Be the smartest person around, or B. The most charming? How about the one with the most money? Well, that's not a choice. Now, if you chose A, it means you don't really care about what other people think. You're just fine on your own. If you'd prefer to be charming, other people's opinions are important to you. Question 9. Would you rather A. Always have to tell the truth, or B. Always lie? Can I just take the Fifth Amendment right now? Now this really is a tough choice. You either can't lie at all, or you can never tell the truth. If you chose truth over lies, it indicates that you're a selfless person. Question 8. Would you rather A. Never have internet access again, or B. Never take an airplane in your life? Or C. Never have to take an enema? That's not a choice, come on. If you have a fear of flying, the choice might be obvious for you. But if you're an avid traveler, we feel your pain. Choosing the internet over flying could mean that you care a lot about the environment, or you just really love watching our videos on YouTube. Plus, thanks to the internet, you can visit any country you want without ever leaving your apartment. Question 7. Would you rather A. Find true love, or B. Win $1 million? Can't we just do both? If you went for the money, it might be an indication that you don't really believe in such things as true love. You're probably really practical and unemotional. Question 6. Would you rather A. Never be able to speak again, or B. Always have to say everything on your mind? Oh, I like that one. Not being able to speak is really hard, but is it worse that you're always saying what you think? Your girlfriend asks you if she looks good, and you are unable to lie and say yes. Can you imagine the consequences? So, maybe silence is golden. Or maybe Bitcoin. Heh. Question 5. Would you rather A. Have a photographic memory, or B. Be able to forget anything you want? What was the question again? Having a photographic memory means that you can learn all kinds of things really easily. But you know, this can be a curse. You remember all the bad things that people normally forget. So forgetting anything that you want at any time now sounds pretty tempting, right? However, choosing a photographic memory means that you're a strong person. Number 4. Would you rather A. Never have sex again, or B. Never eat your favorite food? Ooh, that's a tough one. Choosing to never have sex probably means that you prefer to be alone. And if you opted for food, well, you must really love food. I do. Number 3. Would you rather A. be the only person in the world to live a happy life, or B. be the only person in the world to live an unhappy life? I'm confused. Now, think about it for a second. This one is extremely hard, too. Can you really be happy in a world where there are only unhappy people? Your friends, your family, all having hardships except lucky you? Yeah, I could give it a shot. No, not really. Question 2. Would you rather A. be the first person to discover an inhabitable planet, or B. be the inventor of a drug that cures a deadly disease? Ooh, that's a tricky one. Both of these things are so important for humanity. But curing a disease means that you can save a lot of people right now. While discovering a planet would be a huge leap in technology, but only in the long term, so you'd probably never be able to see it in person anyway. And question 1. Would you rather A. be poor but be able to help people, or B. get incredibly rich by hurting other people? Well, this seems obvious, but if you chose option A, it means you're someone who cares about other people more than yourself. As for choosing B, well, it's pretty much the opposite. Okay, now it's time to see the final results. Surprise! This was a test of how selfish you are. Oh, how sneaky. If you chose A from 1 to 3 times, you're a pretty selfish person. Very few people would like to work with you in a team. It's not that bad though, it just means that you prefer fighting for yourself to get exactly what you want. But would you really step on other people to get there? If you chose option A from 4 to 6 times, that means you're moderately selfish. You're like the Goldilocks of this list. Not too much, not too little, just right. Who's been eating my porridge? Pretty much most people would fall into this category. You can be selfish when you need to be. Now, if you chose option A from 7 to 10 times, you're the type of person who is always ready to sacrifice your own interests for someone else. But will you ever get what you want in life if you easily give it up for others? Mother Teresa, she's back!